Business at this bar is down. The owner is trying to shake things up, but customers keep talking about cost of living pressures.
People are going out a bit less, people are spending less, and they're not ordering as much as they once might have.
So, who is a big fan of this?
That means Ben Newman can't give his casual staff as many hours as they want.
The shifts might be a bit shorter. We might close earlier on a certain day. We might not be able to keep an extra 1 or 2 on that we otherwise might have when people were out spending more.
Despite nearly 400,000 more people in jobs, fewer hours are being worked compared to this time last year. That's pushed up the underemployment rate, where employees aren't working as much as they'd like. Competition for jobs is also heating up, and more people are looking for work, boosting the participation rate. That's led to an increase in the unemployment rate to 4.1%. Economist Besa Deda says the jump in the jobless rate is reflective of a growing population, with migrants among those looking for work.
I think by the end of this year we will see an unemployment rate that's closer to 4.5%. If we consider forward-looking indicators such as the SEEK data that looks at the number of people that are applying for a particular job, and if we consider job advertisements, they are suggesting that going forward there will be a softening in employment growth.
The RBA Assistant Governor says the central bank is mindful of the pressure higher rates are putting on households.
We don't discount the challenge that this has been for some people through the last little while.
The latest jobs numbers are another sign that the Reserve Bank's attempts to slow down the economy are working. Financial markets now believe there's a strong chance of a rate cut by the end of this year, a view that's also shared by most economists.
The next move from the Reserve Bank will be down. We have the timing as November for the first rate cut, which will be a 0.25% rate cut, and we have our group view as following that up with 3 more rate cuts over 2025.
Back at the bar, Ben is working hard to attract more customers with more discounts and perks for event bookings. Until business picks up, he won't be able to employ more people or increase their hours.
I can see there's a lot of people out there looking for more part-time work and more work in the gig economy, and I see that perhaps won't be anything in the near future in terms of being able to give people the amount of shifts that they need.
For now, the drinks aren't overflowing like they used to.